The deliciousness. Look at that. Woo! Oh, you can feel like the crisp, chewy. Crisp, chewy. Mm-hmm.
Oh, yum.
Oh my God.
Really good.
Wow. Got a whole bunch of people in the kitchen, including Fiverr.
Fiverr.
And my sister.
Hi.
This is Rhonda. She's one of my two sisters. And she came all the way from Colorado to make.
Just to make toasted sesame cookies. Flew in, gonna make cookies, then I'm out of here.
We are making Sarah Kieffer's cookies, and she is really famous for the chocolate chip crinkled cookie that you take from the oven a couple times while it's baking it and bang the baking sheet against the rack, and it causes these ripples in the cookie and also gets this really flat, chewy, crisp cookie that's awesome. And so this is her toasted sesame version that we're trying. So Rhonda just put butter into the mixer.
Yeah, it's 1.5 sticks. It's 170 grams.
Awesome. Okay, and then we're gonna add brown sugar.
It is a cup of white sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar going in here.
All right, and
I'm gonna
yeah,
mix it. I'm gonna cream it.
Yeah.
Yes.
And while you're doing that, I am going to be mixing 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt into 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. There we go. And I'm also adding. Ooh, wow.
It should come together pretty quickly.
It's
really hot.
We let the butter sit out for like 8 hours. Hopefully it hasn't turned on us.
Sorry.
I know. Well, that mixer is literally 25 years old.
Oh, it looks pretty good.
Yeah. And I've got, let me see here, I've got 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. All right. Is that good? Yeah?
I think so. What do you think?
Okay. Yeah, I think that looks good.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. Fluffy.
Yeah.
Nice. Now we're going to add the egg. You want to add the egg?
Sure.
Okay. And
Okay, we're going to add the egg the way people in your comments would like you to add the egg.
Oh, okay. So how's that?
I'm the only person who reads your comments, I think.
If you ever go in the comments and there's somebody defending me, that's her.
It's me.
That's Rhonda 35.
I just beat this in for...
I think, well, you're supposed to add that with the sesame oil, which I got to measure, which I just realized,
Mix on those.
I got problems here. You want to do
I'll
the
get
water?
the water.
Okay, so we need
a tablespoon.
Yeah. I'm doing 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil. Here we go.
Okay, and then...
Oops.
Go ahead, just...
Oh, you go ahead.
Oh, okay.
All right.
I think we just need vanilla.
And vanilla, yep, I got that. How much is that? Do you know? Okay.
Yeah, 1.5 teaspoons.
Okay.
I always add a little more, but
Okay, let's do
don't
it.
mess up your recipe for me.
No?
It's
Okay.
up to you. I mean, you can never have enough.
I don't know where I got this tendency to mess things up.
These sound very good.
I know. I'm really excited.
Yes.
And while Rhonda is doing the final mixing of that, I am going to take a bunch of sesame seeds. It doesn't really tell you how much. It just says black and white sesame seeds for rolling. If you only get one kind, that's fine too. So I'm going to put like a handful of each and mix them together. All right.
Mix on low and then, okay.
All right. Just showing you, this is the mixed sesame seeds. This is for rolling the cookies in.
Oh, that looks nice.
I know. And then we have 3 ounces of bittersweet or semisweet chocolate chopped up. That's going to go in too, which is key.
I would like to know in the comments what kind of cookies people like, as far as like crisp cookie or the kind that's like a little soft. I think these turn out a little bit soft, is my understanding. And I think cookies are sort of a divisive thing. People get very
I'm very moderate.
particular.
I like crisp, chewy. I like or moderate, or you could say greedy, because I like the best of both worlds. Like I want it to be a little soft in the center, chewy, and then crisp on the edges.
Right. And do you like big or little? Like I like sort of a little cookie.
Oh, a big
no.
cookie.
Whoops.
Yeah. Oops.
There we go. Sorry.
That also runs in the family.
Yeah. Rhonda also messes up in the kitchen.
You just turn everything on high and then go, ooh!
Oh my gosh. Do you remember with the whipped cream?
No.
Should we tell you
Okay, go ahead.
people this?
Okay. I don't know. I don't know what is going to get revealed now.
I'm a slow learner, and you were visiting me one time many years ago when I was first married, and I was making whipped cream, and I put it in the mixer and with some vanilla, and immediately turned it to high and shot with cream everywhere. We cleaned it up, and then I did the same thing. You were like, okay, we're gonna take you away from the mixer.
Back away from the mixer.
It was so hard to clean.
I think that's good.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but I'm worried about them being too soft.
Well,
Okay, wait.
chill
So,
it.
okay, add the chocolate if using. Yes, we are using.
But do we want to do it with a mixer, or just?
It says, yeah, mixing. I think we can do
okay.
that. Okay, here we go.
All right.
Ready? All right.
All right.
Yay. Okay.
All good.
So I don't think that's gonna roll. Okay, we're gonna chill it. So we're gonna stick this in the fridge and we'll see you in a bit.
Bye.
Here we are, the next morning. Rhonda's feeling very chipper.
Yeah, I'm not a morning person.
So we got a 1/4 cup of dough, which we've chilled overnight. And
Roll into a ball,
okay,
and then roll in the.
I'm just gonna use that.
In this mix of sesame seeds. I don't know.
And then we have the oven going to 350. And Sarah has you only, do 4, I can't scoop and talk at the same time apparently. I was like, whoa, this is too much to concentrate on.
You're not a morning person either.
Wow, 1/4 cup is a lot. So you do 4 per sheet. And the other thing that we're sort of intrigued by is the fact that she has you put aluminum foil shiny side down on your baking sheets, not parchment. And we don't really know why, but we're going with it. We're following the rules. And then we're gonna put these in the oven for 9 minutes. And then that's when the fun starts. Between now and then, we're gonna get some more coffee.
Yeah. The next time you see us, we will be much peppier.
Yes, we are.
There we go.
Yes.
Okay, I think they're.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Here we go.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, 9 minutes. Hi.
Hi, we're back.
We're back. It's been 9 minutes, and now it's time to do the pan banging. So Rhonda's gonna head it up.
Yeah.
So you want to have oven mitts. You can pull out the shelf maybe and do it there. Yeah. Pull out your shelf.
And then you just
Lift it up,
lift it up.
and then drop it. Yeah. Oh, and you can see you got the
It's
first
satisfying.
ridge. I know it's really
yeah.
satisfying.
And so it's sort of they look like little like they have little edges now, little ridged edges.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to cook them for another. I think it's 6 minutes.
No, 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes we're gonna
Oh.
bang the pan.
Okay.
And then until they're done. All right, it's time.
Here we
we
go.
go. Ooh.
You want the honors this
No,
time?
no, you go.
Okay. Here we go. So.
Oh. Oh my God, that was awesome. Because that was like a souffle.
That was fun. Okay, 2 more minutes. Here we go again.
3rd pan bang. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're all puffy.
Look at how much they've puffed.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna drop it. And then sorry, Fiverr. And I'm gonna rotate it.
Yeah. Just want to make sure you can actually
Does not tell
see
you,
what you're doing.
But I'm gonna do it anyway.
Okay, great.
Okay.
I think we might have like maybe one more time and that's it. Because they're looking like they're starting to look, brown on the edges.
Yeah, and it's funny. They're getting like, what is it? Concentric circles?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
ridges. So yeah, one or two more. We'll let you know. Okay. So we're going to do. They're done. Let me drop it one more time. You see?
There we go. Yep.
Okay, and then we're going to just let them cool slightly on the tray and then transfer them to a wire rack to finish cooling, and then we'll taste test them. In the meantime, I'll finish baking the rest.
They've cooled and I want to show you
They look good.
the deliciousness. Look at that. Woo! Right?
Yes.
Okay. Ready? We're going to break into it.
Okay.
Oh, you can feel like the crisp, chewy. Crisp, chewy.
Mm-hmm.
I took the bigger half.
No, you did it bigger. That's okay. Oh, yum.
Oh my God.
Really good.
Wow.
I love the combo of the sesame with the chocolate.
I think the chocolate makes it.
I do too.
It has like a layer of crisp on the bottom, and then it's like kind of soft and chewy on top.
Yeah, like it's like perfect. Because I don't usually like super soft cookies. This isn't super soft. It's like perfect soft in the middle, but crisp on the outside. Love that.
Thanks for joining.
Yeah. Thanks for letting me come cook with you.
Yeah.
It's been 2 years since we've cooked together.
Oh my God.
I know.
Wow. You got just if you could commute back and forth every week, it'd be great.
Well, I'm waiting for you to add a room for me.
All right. See you next week.
Make these.